Natural recommendations for persistent cough. Keeping the throat moist and softening the mucus by drinking plenty of water. Using a high pillow while lying down to prevent nasal discharge. To make a carbonated salt water gargle to remove phlegm and relieve the throat. Avoiding cigarette smoke, polluted air or air-conditioned environments. Stay away from allergens such as detergent, dust, mold, etc. Adding honey and ginger to herbal teas to relieve cough and clear throat. Using seawater sprays to keep the nose open and prevent it from drying out. Having a humidifier, especially in the sleeping room.